I guess I want to do a quick unboxing and review on my Lamicall Magnetic Wallet. It's for like iPhone that have the magnetic casing, which I think is like 12 and up. So let's take a look. So we gotta make sure that you have like the clean wipes, and it's got the ring on the back, and then the actual wallet itself. Oh, it's very nice. One thing that I do like is that it has the holder right here. What I like about it is that it has a spot to put like your card ID or anything like that in here, as well as I like that it opens up and then you can store some other items in here. So I'll go ahead and put some items in there, and then even up front. So it literally keeps everything nice and safe for you. And then literally just stick it onto the back. So you definitely want to add this as like an extra like layer so it has more support. But I've tried these before and like literally it'll hold on just the way I have it now. And the other cool thing that you can use the wallet for is as a stand. So if you're watching something like this or something like this. So again, it has a lot of practical uses that I find very useful. So if you're looking for an awesome magnetic wallet for your iPhone, I highly recommend this one. Definitely a 10 out of 10.